Did you know there's a well-known statistic that only 3% of day traders make a profit? And only 1% stay profitable consistently? You need to trade like the 1%. By doing the exact opposite of what the 99% do. You just need to spend the whole day staring at charts trying to find the perfect entry. But day trading isn't simply about waiting. And that's exactly why 99% of traders lose money. So let me introduce one of the core concepts in my strategy. Supply and demand zones. These zones are the foundation of price movement. But here's the problem. Not every zone is real. For example, an explosive downtrend, a supply zone, and a structure here. We need the price break this structure to make the zone valid. But no, it doesn't. They're designed to trap traders. Now look at this chart with me. We've got demand here, and here, and here. So which one do we use? Because if you don't know the answer, that could be the difference between a losing trade and a winning trade. On the exact same chart, you see a blue zone. That's a demand zone. As price approaches it, you already know the odds are higher for a bounce. And then you even get a buy signal to confirm the entry. That means you can skip so many confusing steps like inducement, liquidity traps, fake outs, and focus on the zone that actually matters. So what's the tool behind this? It's logic day trading. Perfect for scalping and day trading, and it really shines on the 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute charts. So grab a coffee, and let's catch cleaner, higher probability trades with logic day trading. Here's a real example on Euro/USD on 30 minutes time frame. The indicator spots a timely entry at 1.16286. Right after that, price takes off, and you can aim for the suggested exit at 1.17063. Want to know how much profit that is? Yep, around 77.7 pips. Day trading doesn't have to be complicated. Now let me show you 2 quick tips to upgrade your day trading strategy using this tool. First up, scalping on lower time frames. When you're trading the 5-minute or 15-minute charts, you need speed but also precision. And that's where logic day trading helps a lot. It filters out the messy signals so you're not guessing all day. Now check this out. We get a buy signal that still works out on this 15-minute chart. Price breaks above the demand zone, so the move is confirmed. And then it pushes up and makes a higher high. That's why I love it for scalping. You can use it to capture small price movements on the 15-minute chart. And here's the rule. Know your daily bias first. Are you looking for longs? Or are you looking for shorts? Because once you lock that in, you automatically filter out a ton of trash signals. If you get a buy signal in a bullish market, you're basically riding with the trend. And if you get a sell signal in a bearish market, same thing. You're moving with momentum, not against it. So scalping with logic day trading is simple. Trade with bias. Take only the clean signals. Let the trend do the work. Now, the second strategy is all about trend confirmation and pullback entries. The second strategy is for people who always say, "Ugh, I missed a move." This is especially useful if you missed the initial breakout and want a second shot at entering the trade. For example, let's say you wanted to catch the buy on the way up to take out a high, but you missed the first entry. No problem. You mark the most obvious demand zone inside the green buy box. Price retraces into it, never looks back, and quickly breaks the high, then creates a brand new high right after. And it works on the sell side too. Even on bearish days, price can push up first. But when it retraces into a valid supply zone, that's when the sell signal triggers, and the price drops right after. So you're not chasing price. You're trading reactions from high probability zones. Let's take it one step further with top-down analysis. Even though this strategy works great on lower time frames, you can also use it with higher time frames. On the 4-hour chart, you identify a valid supply zone. You see structure break, strong bearish momentum, and you mark that zone. Then you drop back down to the 15-minute chart and wait for price to retrace back into that same supply area. That's where you get the cleanest entries. And one more detail traders miss all the time. Long wicks. When you see candles with long wicks like that, it's the market trying to push higher but getting rejected. Those are sensitive price points. The indicator is validating those. Mark the 50% level of the wick of the sell zone, and you'll often see price react perfectly off it. And the best part? This pattern repeats. Break down, retrace into supply, drop again, over and over. So even if you miss the first entry, well, you usually get another one. And yes, logic day trading is customizable. You can adjust filters, change how many bars it looks back, and control how many setups the indicator finds. And that highlighted number you see? That's the maximum profit you could have captured if you followed the previous signal. To sum it up, join 3% of day traders to make a profit. With the logic day trading indicator, it helps confirm when price reaches those zones and where momentum is likely heading next. Built around Donchian-style breakouts and smart price patterns, this tool is perfect for scalping and day trading, especially on intraday charts like the 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute. If you have an interest in this indicator, search Logic Day Trading for Tradingview on our website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a trading tip. Happy trading!